All right, this is APAB Calculus. We are doing the midterm review, and this is multiple choice question number 3, which is non-calculator. So in this problem, we're given f, and we're asked when the graph of f is concave down. So I always kind of do this like a little flowchart thing. It's really useful on a free response because it basically justifies your answer. So if f is concave down, that's the ask, right? That's what I'm being asked. Then I need to think about what that actually means as a math definition, like not in this particular problem, but just all the time. And what that's going to mean is that f double prime is less than 0. Well, that kind of informs what I'm going to have to do, because now I really need to find f double prime, and then I need to find when f double prime is negative. So let's go ahead and find some derivatives, right? So f prime of x, this is going to be a product rule, because the 2x and the e to the x is a product that cannot be simplified. So u dv plus v du. Now you don't have to clean this up if you don't want to. I kind of find it easier to like write this in a slightly happier way. Now when I do my f double prime, I'm going to need another product rule for this first thing, u and v. Although you can kind of cheat because I just differentiated or derived this 2x e to the x once and got this big red thing. So you could kind of cheat and recognize that I'm going to get that again. So this is going to be another product rule, u dv plus v du, which notice is not accidentally exactly what I had up here, right? And then I need to remember to differentiate this guy, which is just going to be a 2e to the x. So I get 2x e to the x plus a 4e to the x, and then I need to find when this thing is equal to 0, right? I want to find when f double prime is 0, so I can factor. I take out an e to the x as my GCF, and I could take out a 2e to the x actually if I want to make my life even easier. And I get that either 2e to the x is 0, well, that is a big fat lie because e to the x is always positive, or x plus 2 is 0, which is going to give me x is negative 2. Since my only non-positive factor, my only factor that switches signs at all is the negative 2, basically you can make the sign chart, but really all that matters is this negative 2, because 2e to the x is always positive, and this is a line with a positive slope, so it's going to start negative and become positive, meaning that my f double prime goes from negative to positive. And so if we just extend down here a little bit, that means my f is concave down and then concave up. So I'm looking for concave down, specifically f, right? F is concave down on the interval from negative infinity to negative 2, or x is less than negative 2. I go back up and I realize that that's A.